Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking on this video and watching. Today we're going to be planning for the a month of July 2019 in my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral Life Planner. This is the 2019 to 2020 academic year. And unfortunately, I didn't really know where to get started with this one because I had ordered a kit I intended to use, but I ordered it too late and it was already the middle of the month and I just really wanted to just get this plan with me done. And so we're just going to do it kind of old school style and just use the stickers that I have in the back of the Erin Condren and washi and some random like stickers from Me and My Big Ideas and Bloom paper. Bloom Daily Planners. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and mark 4th of July with this gold foiled art box stickers kit. Forgot the name of the shop, sorry. Yeah, because it was the 4th of July there. And then I'm just grabbing a bunch of boxes from the back of the kit because I have some other things I want to mark. And basically I'm just going to be laying these down first. And then I am going to go ahead and write in them. I'm not going to wait until after the video. I'm just going to write as we go. On the 7th there, that box is for my husband had an eye doctor appointment. So I'm going to be using these little little sticker thingies, these little eyeglasses from, I think it's Pop Fizz paper. And then on what's next? On the 26th, I have a doctor's appointment, so I'm going to be using a stethoscope from the Sticker Genie. Then also on the 29th, I have a dentist appointment. So does my son. So I'm going to be using a tooth sticker from the Sticker Genie. And then also on the back to the 7th there, I forgot that I had cleaned the litter box that day. So I'm using my cat butt sticker from Cozy Paper Co. That's a sticker that's on my deluxe freebie. Because I like to use those cat butts to mark cleaning the litter box. And you can get my freebie from Cozy Paper Co. just by mentioning my name in the notes to seller before you check out. And then you can, if your order is under 50, you'll get that large freebie I just showed. And if your order is over 50, you'll get a large clear paper freebie. So I'm going to go ahead and write in the eye doctor appointments. And then that little asterisk on the 13th was because Clever Gal Crafts had her shorties sale, which I was going to purchase from. But then when Simply Gilded announced the pre-sale washi, the whole list of what was coming out and the prices, I was like, oh, I better not, because I would kind of rather stock up on washi. So yeah, I decided not to, but I still had it in my planner. And then on the 19th, I used a coffee sticker from the Erin Condren because it's Starbucks Double Star Day on the 9th. I like to keep track of those double star days so I can try to make my purchases, last longer on those days. On the 19th, I'm using a cute little panda with a balloon from a Sticker Insanity freebie because I'm super excited to be shopping once again from Sticker Insanity. She is going to be coming back from maternity leave and reopening her shop. So I thought the panda, obviously it's a Sticker Insanity freebie sticker, so it's obviously appropriate, but I thought that the panda would be super appropriate because Stephanie of Sticker Insanity loves pandas, and also pink's her favorite color, so it's holding a pink balloon, very cute. Also on the 29th, I have an appointment for our energy company to come and install a smart thermostat, so I'm excited to get that. Then on the, what day is that? The 2nd. On the 2nd, I cleaned my rings. I like to mark in my planner when I've last cleaned my jewelry, so that way I remember to do it just once a month. And then also I'm using a wash bedding sticker from Dash of Sun Designs on the 11th because we wash our sheets, and that's another thing that I, remember, I need to remember to do once a month, so mark that. And as well as the litter box, that's why I mark those things in my monthly view. And then Dash of Sun Designs, she is recently going on maternity leave, so she is going to be gone for a year, unfortunately, but I love Dash of Sun. I used to PR for her, so definitely follow her so you can keep up with when she reopens. So then that's about it for just what's going on, what's already gone on, and then what's going to be going on. for the last couple of weeks in July. So yeah, I just wanted to just kind of decorate the rest of the spread, and I thought I would just do it like red, white, and blue since it's July. So I'm using some of my Simply Gilded washi. I've got the red and the blue with the silver foil bows. And I've also got the red Stardust with silver foil, as well as the white Stardust with silver foil. And then I have the Color Love blue foiled white bows. As well as the blue foiled Stardust. That was the from the Color Love release back in June, I think it was. So then we're going to go ahead and I forgot to write in the doctor appointment until I put the washi just below it. So I'm going to write that in. And then the washi is really just kind of decorative, and I wasn't really going to use it for like, you can use strips of washi like that, like long strips to mark like a vacation week or something. So it was just going to be, just like decorative, add some color to the spread. But then I remembered I wanted to mark Simply Gilded's pre-sales. So I did go ahead and put a little like flag from Erin Condren on the 15th. And then I used the Stardust washi kind of just starting from the 16th through the 18th. It's actually, her pre-sale is actually the 15th through the 22nd, but I don't know. I already had the like other two strips that were below that strip. So, and I didn't want to like go above the panda and then back below the panda on the 20th. I don't know. So I just did like the Tuesday through Thursday, as meant to be like the Simply Gilded pre-sales week, but not really. Then, like I said, I have some stickers from Bloom Daily Planners and from Me and My Big Ideas. That one was pretty slippery. So I got these Bloom ones from a giveaway that I had won in their Facebook group. It's just kind of like random holiday stickers. They have like all the months. It's a very cute pack. I like it a lot. So I'm just putting the like baby your firework and the popsicle and the watermelon and the suntan or sunscreen or whatever lotion, the unicorn pool floaty, the sunglasses, and then this like palm leaf, and a couple of little stars. The anchor, another watermelon. I love watermelon, y'all. Watermelon is like mangoes, and strawberries are my favorite fruits. And I used to love cherries too as a kid, but like I still like them, but they're just not like a favorite anymore. But yeah, for sure love watermelon and mango are my two like top faves. Anyways, and then strawberries third. Anyways, and I wanted to bring in some kind of like fireworky looking washi. So the best bet I had with that would be like Stardust washi. So just use this pool blue Stardust washi, and it's got like teal and silver hollow foil in it. So it's very pretty. And then also I have a like really old freebie from Planner Stickies. I haven't laid it down yet. Never mind, I'll get to that. Then we're just going to use some of the Me and My Big Ideas stickers. These are rather large because the Happy Planner boxes are much larger than the Erin Condren boxes, but like whatever. I've been holding on to these for a long time, so I figured it was time to use them. I'm just using the stars horizontally and then that 4th of July down there in the corner because I really don't use that sidebar for anything. And then I've got this strip of stars, which I just randomly placed on the 21st and 22nd. So it actually almost extends to the very end of the Simply Gilded pre-sale if you think about it like that. So anyway, here's the really old freebie that I was talking about from Planner Stickies, and I just used the grill because summertime grilling and whatnot. I figured it'd be appropriate. I've been holding on to that freebie for like what is literally probably like 3 or 4 years, like way back when I kind of first started buying planner stickers. Yeah, so that's a really old one. I'm surprised it even sticks still. But then that's about it for just like the monthly spread. And then we're going to move over to this notes section as well as this like birthdays and whatever section. So I'm actually going to be using the birthday section for movies that are going to be coming out for that month specifically. So I used just like an Erin Condren sticker in the back with to write movies and cover up the birthdays. And so I wrote that on July 2nd, Spider-Man Far From Home came out. And then on July 3rd, Midsummer comes out, or Midsummer. I don't know how to say that. And then July 19th is The Lion King. Then on the top right box there, I think that said monthly goals, but I just used another sticker from the Erin Condren and wrote NSVs, which stands for non-scale victories. So I want to focus monthly on non-scale victories as well as losing weight. So I thought this would be a good place to track those, kind of like, my daily grateful thought of the day, but this is kind of just more over like a month view, I don't know, non-scale victory section. So I wrote that I am in a new pant size and I've been getting compliments. And then that littler section is going to be for like month specific type of things. So for this one, I'm putting summer bucket list, which I have go to the beach and collect seashells and make sandcastles, go to the drive-ins and make popsicles, go to the park, and then go to the Artful Potter, which is this like store or whatever that they have all this like pottery that's just like a plain white. It's not like coated or anything. It's just like raw, like pottery or whatever. They have like, you could get like either like statues, like little statues, or you could get like plates and bowls and mugs, and then you can paint them so that you can personalize them, and then they will let the paint dry and like clear coat it and set it and all that stuff, and then you can go and pick it up in a couple days or so. So I thought that'd be fun. My son's never been, but I actually remember going as a child and I liked it, and he likes art a lot, so I thought he would like it. So yeah, that section is going to change based off of the month. It's just month specific things, which I did have my summer bucket list in my June section, but then I realized that's not a great place for it because there are still 2 more months of summer, July and August, and I am no longer in my planner at the end of June, so I'm not going to do that for this planner. And then the dot grid at the bottom, I'm going to be using for my goals and just tracking my habits. So I made 4, and I did AM routine, PM routine, steps, which I'm trying to make sure I get 10,000 steps a day, and spirituality, which I just skipped because, you don't want to see me number all those. And yeah, I did change spirituality. I used to have a water goal, but it's just really hard for me to make that goal because of how freaking cold it is at my work. They keep it really cold. They keep it at like 72, but I do sit at my cubicle is like directly behind an empty office with the door open, and then the cold air just funnels right out of that door and funnels all onto me because it's just like an empty office. So yeah, I'm really cold. I'm not allowed to close the door. And yeah, I wear like 2 jackets. Sometimes I wear a jacket and a blanket at work at my cubicle, and I'm still cold. And so like the cold water like just doesn't help. Even if it's like room temperature water, I'm still like, I don't want to drink anything. I don't want to move. I'm so cold. It's hard. It's literally hard to work. But anyway, I'm going to focus more on spirituality because it is important to me, and I really don't do as much as I'd like and learn as much as I'd like. So that's why I changed that goal. And then the monthly review thing that you saw me gluing down is a insert that was custom done from Ame of Lightning Bug Studios, and she did for me as a request. Thank you, Ame. I had to cut it a little though because it doesn't fit my Erin Condren notes section. So there was like a little section at the bottom that just said like rate how this month, like whatever, on 1 to 10 or something. So this is just going to be my monthly review section. So there's some questions there for me to reflect on because I do like that, taking time to reflect on the month and my goals, and if I met them or have I not met them, and why do I think I did or why do I think I didn't, and what am I going to do differently the next month, so on and so forth. So I had a problem with my tape runner though. I bought tape runner refills from Michael's, not realizing they were refills. And so they're a little hard to maneuver because they're supposed to go inside the tape runner. So you saw me struggle with that because I am incompetent. Anyway though, and then the other like bonus notes section for the Erin Condren, or I suppose that my monthly reflection is the bonus one or something, I don't know, whatever. With this extra notes section in the Erin Condren, I'm going to be using this as my savings, debt, and sinking funds tracker. So at the top, I'm going to start with debt. And this is kind of a rough outline too, since this is all new to me. I don't know if I'm going to stick with this, if I like it or if I don't, we'll see how it kind of pans out for July and see if I keep if there's anything I want to change about it for August. I do know of another girl on YouTube, I forgot her name, but she sells stickers that are for like sinking funds and savings trackers and stuff like that. So I might even buy some of hers instead of, doing all these lines and stuff. I don't know. We'll see how I like this. But yeah, I'm going to start at the top with our debt, and I'm just going to start with what the balance was at the beginning of July. Any payments, or if we had to unfortunately use the card, the fluctuation plus or minus, and then the ending balance. And I do have the hexagons at the very, very back of my planner that have my all of my debts on there and the balances. So I thought that would be neat because, as the months go on every month here tracking it, I should see these amounts go down. And then at the very end of the year, at the very end of my planner, I've got those 12 hexagons, and I can see, what was the balance at the beginning of this planner at the beginning of July, and then what it is once I get to June of 2020. So that'll be cool, I think. Hopefully motivational. So yeah, I just wrote in payback because we are on a payment plan to pay back my in-laws for some money we borrowed. Student loan, credit cards, just going to be a sum of all of our credit cards, both mine and my husband's, and then the car. Then savings is just pretty simple. It's just going to be like balance plus or minus and, ending balance. And then our sinking funds is just, what I set aside money for here and there every month, because I know that something big in my sinking funds is going to come up. And it's easier for me to save gradually versus just, oh no, my car registration is due and it's $200. You know what I mean? It's better to just save like, $20 a month for it or something like that, whatever. So yeah, those are my sinking funds. I have quite a long list there, but yeah, it's like, Prime Now, Xbox Live, our Nintendo membership, household stuff, medical stuff, car registration, car maintenance, that kind of thing. And then I just put some green Simply Gilded washi down there because, green reminds me of money. So no other reason besides for that. And that's about it for this plan with me. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.